gonna try to get a manual. Nope. That was the worst attempt at a manual I think I've ever attempted. It's kind of windy though. Damn. I've never been good at manuals, but I haven't practiced them a whole lot. Some people are just really good at this. Yeah. See how windy it is? My board is like... I think standing back here above the bolts. Yeah. Just kind of forgetting about my front foot, I think. It feels like the balance comes from the back foot, like when you stand on one leg, I guess. Think about it that way, Pat. Because a lot of times I'm like, where should my front foot go? And I think that's what's throwing me off. Let me know if I'm right or wrong. Yep, that's it. That's the technique, huh? That felt like that was the move. Yeah. The more I ignore my front foot, yeah, man. I mean, not completely ignore my front foot, but you know what I mean. Okay. Oh, that was a good start. I can't believe, man, people like Day One, I guess he's been doing it for 30 plus years, you know, and like manualing back into fakie on a quarter pipe. It's crazy to me. Yeah. Now it's just a matter of getting that sensation of where I need to be up and down wise without scraping. I guess it's probably less is more because there's so much, like, let me move over here. I feel like it's going to be less is more as far as up or down. So like less up, right? I mean, you don't need much. You don't need to be way up here. More speed, I think, too. More speed. More momentum. Oh! Started it. Again, I gotta follow through. In my head, I gotta follow through while I'm doing this. Every step. Yep. Oh, see? I said yep, and I lost it. Oh, we're getting there. Practice, man. Over and over and over is what it is with skateboarding. And don't freak out if you scrape. It's part of the process. I feel like my balance is pretty good. There we go. I feel like I didn't even pop. What's the difference between concentration and focusing? Kind of the same, right? I feel like focusing is a bit less intense than a concentration. Focus, I think, is the key in skateboarding. Jump through. Focus, landing, yep. See? It was smooth. That was a good ollie into a tail stall. But I think I had too much forward momentum on that. it's like, I feel like I'm leaning. Why am I falling backwards? Like I want to get away from the curb. I need to be on the curb. It was a kickflip, whatever. It's decent content. Oh man, you guys. I really like how backside 5, or I guess it's a pivot. I like how pivots look. Oh, I think pivots are sick looking. I don't know why. And I love that word pivot too. Absorbing, you know, bending the knees is like mandatory. I've been watching some clips. I've done this. I'm definitely guilty of this, but I've seen Bam Margera doing that a lot on his newer clips that he's been. Bless your heart, Bam. But I see him, he's like landing like this, like no bend in the knees, and I'm like, oh my god, that's rough. That was I'm going uphill, so it's a little tricky. I need to get more speed. That's about right. Oh, it's a 50-50 stall. Let's see if we can switch ollie out. Oop. What can I do out of the 50-50? I used to be able to kickflip backside 5-0 when I was a teenager. It's not as hard as it sounds when you're a beginner. Heel flip out. I feel like my heel flips move forward, so when I'm on flat, so maybe this will work well. And I feel like heel flip is the counteracting sort of G-force. Is that maybe a G-force between your front heel and your toe hanging off quite a bit, and then your toe on your back foot, you know, doing the opposite. So it's like creating this walk, like almost like a rubber band. Because if I put this over here, it's gonna go. It's not. All right, let's try this, you guys. Okay, and it's up, right, instead of out. I feel like. Okay, I'm just gonna do it. Oh my god, dude! It didn't even flip. I feel like I need my heel back inside behind me more. Okay, that was getting there. I feel like I'm gonna be really happy if I do this. I feel like this is a good way to like practice flat ground. That feels a little bit more. Okay. That wasn't it. Or if I can kickflip out. Could probably pop shove out. Let's try that. Oh god, why did I land? Why did it go back so far? See how far back it went that way? I feel like your feet should be pretty, like you're kind of riding, just riding along for this trick. I mean, there was no pop to that, but I did it. Let's try to kickflip out. Damn, it's windy. I feel like I could varial flip out of this easier than a kickflip. Didn't even flip, dude. It was like going into like hard flip mode, or like, what's that one? I seen a guy on one of Dan Corrigan's videos. It was like a forward hard flip, dude. It looked like the biggest credit card situation. Okay, let's try the varial flip out of here. I got it. Got it. This one, like when I set up for it, it feels like, okay, this is gonna happen. Varial flips just feel right. So one like flip trick that isn't a kick flip that I was good at. I had 360 flips for a while. Maybe I'll try that after this. Feels kind of sketchy, like when I land, it's gonna go whoop. Come on, tray flip. Man, that was like almost all the way. Dude, I'm sketched about slipping out. It's under this tree too, which is nice. Not that it's hot out, but during the summer, so there's like a little bump there. Let's see what I can do. I don't know what I'm thinking. It's kind of fun, actually. Hell yeah. I bet a backside heel flip. Kind of worried about that oil, whatever that is. Oh, that's crusty. Dude, if this was waxed, this would be a fun little, like, yeah, man. Front side tail. I'm sketched about rolling through this because I know it just rained, but it kind of looks like oil. I think it's just, yeah, but it is slippery. I won't be going front side, you guys. Although, if I land in that, I feel better about landing in something that's kind of slippery than jumping up out of something that's slippery. Okay, dude, I gotta at least get that. Little stall. What is that, axle stall? Let me know in the comments. Sloppy. Okay, not too shabby. Whoa. If this was dry, like coming up this and sloppy nose slides, actually I might just try that. I don't have any wax on me, but there is a store right here where I could get some of that that wax I saw in one of Zach Dowdy's. Shout out Zach Dowdy, man. Check out his channel. That channel is cool. But he was, I don't think it was min wax, but it was like household wax. And he was saying that, you know, when you get the skate brand wax, that the color of it just doesn't work well. What a back tail saw. I have to get more speed because it's like up the slope. I don't know if you guys can see it. Be cool to off the little hump. Back tail. Oh. Can't wait till I'm sponsored by Creature. It's gonna be so sick. All right, slappy nose. Dude, this curb needs some work. I think it would be fun, especially this summer. It's hot right here. It's crazy, like this big tree right here is probably lifting that up. Thank you, tree, for helping skateboarders skateboard. You're a good tree. All right. Okay. You lose so much. Oh, you lose so much speed. This is a pretty decent hill I'm coming up. I can try going front side. I love backside though. That was fun. I need to work on getting my back leg up, so I'm not like mob-alling. Front side might be cool, but I'm going through this. Dude, I'm gonna eat it right here. Okay, that wasn't bad. That side has more pop, I feel. That bump. Or maybe I just ollie better. Front side. Maybe I'm better at front side. Oh my God, dude. That was like spooky, but then it was like, okay, I think I'm okay. Because I was thinking about what I was doing. A lot of times when I know I'm falling, I'm like, oh shoot. And I like lose. I need to work on bailing out, you know, ejecting. I don't know what else I could do here. Like maybe some little nose stall thingies. Whoa. Oh, dude. Turned into a pivot, kind of. 5-0 stall, maybe. I'll take that. Need to ollie into these, Pat. You're not going to get up there if you don't ollie. There. Oh, okay, but that was the technique, right? That was crusty, but not bad, dude. Now I just need to do that 100 more times. Start to get the muscle memory of these. My back foot is like slipping off of the board, like not staying on. Like I'm not lifting my back foot up enough, I guess. There. See, that time I put in a big ol' oomph lifting it up. What about like a backside disaster? That'd be sick, and like roll back in the middle right there. Let me try that. Whoa. Yeah, not much of a... Okay. Moving on. Come on, cars. Dude, I hit that stupid reflector. I rode right over that. Dude, I barely need that one. Kickflip would be sick, but if I eat pavement right here, okay, I need to not go over that thing. Come on, car. Come on, Porsche. I already got it. I think the first one was enough. Okay.